Video I'm going to show in Revit architecture how we can use the aligned dimension in annotate tab. Here we have a project. I'm going to show in this project how we can do measure. Let me go to floor plan. I will go to the first level 1 ground floor plan. So in this floor plan we can see here, for example, kitchen. So now I just want to check from the wall interior face to the table. For example, this dining table, from the interior wall, it's a curtain wall, I think. So now I'm going to take the align dimension from annotate, click align dimension. Then when you click the align dimension, you can see here wall face is, or by default is selected wall faces. So there is center of core, face of core, and wall faces. Now I will select wall face, or if you want to change, you can change from here. I'm going to select wall faces, and I'm going to select interior face here. So interior face already selected. I click and release the mouse button. I'm not holding the mouse button. You can release the mouse button, and we can go. You can see automatically snapping here to the dining table edge boundary. So I will select this. So already selected. One click and release the mouse button. Now you can see, you can just arrange where you want to show your dimension here. For example, here. So I'm going to click one more time to place the dimension. Click one time. So it's already done. Now I will click the modify button to terminate the command, or 2-time escape. So we can see now this is the dimension from the interior face to the dining table boundary. This is, I guess this is in millimeter. So if you want to make sure that is centimeter or millimeter, definitely say mm. But again, you can just press the shortcut UN. Okay, same like AutoCAD. So UN for units. When you use the shortcut UN, then you can see this pop-up window. In this pop-up window, we can see here length. Okay, in mm. But if you want to change, we can change also here. So anyway, I'm going to cancel it. So for example, this table height from the floor. Okay, I want to check. So we can check different way. One is we can put the camera. We can use the camera here. For example, I'm going to take the camera, and I will just put camera from here to this view. Okay, like this. So the camera view is already here. Now I will just crop to make more visibility. There is one pillar, I think. Okay, anyway. So now here we can see the table height here, but it's difficult to snap the floor. But we can do the table. For example, if I want to take the dimension for the table, I can take, but again it's disabled here. So what we can do here, I will go to level 1 plan again. For example, ground floor. See, this is our table. So I will take a section, because if it is not working from the camera, if you want to check something, it's not working, we can go for the section view. So I take the section, and I'm going to cut the section from here, for example, like this. So I will cut from here like this, straight. So if it is straight, you will see down dotted line. If it is not straight, you will not see the dotted line. So I'm going to place the section here, but the section view is other side. So I want to flip to left side. For example, we can use this flip button to change the view. So I will flip, so the view is other side. So view is going very far, so we don't need this much view. So it will be confused, so many objects there, so we will confuse that. So I will just make it somewhere here. So this is the section view I cut already. Now I'll double click on this edge for the section I. So I'm going to double click. So now we can see the section view here. This is the level, floor level. This is the table. So table height. Now we can check here. Let me check. Yeah. So this is the line, thick line, okay, thin line. If you click, it will show thick line. So sometimes it's difficult to find a lot of drawing there. It's difficult. So we can use the thin line. So it's more visible here. Now I'm going to take the align dimension, and here this is the floor, right? Floor level. So I'm going to click here, and what you need, for example, tabletop. This is a tabletop. So I already take the measurement, just place the measurement. So this is a tabletop. So you can see, you can do from the height level, or if you want to check, for example, this, I think this kitchen hood. So now I'm going to take from the floor to here. So we can see now this is the dimension. So we can check the dimension from the height dimension also we can take from the section view. Okay, I will go back to the floor plan, and if you don't want the section, you can select and you can delete. Once you're done, just click and delete. Also, this is a 3D view. You can see the 3D view also from here. Okay, I hope the video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you on next video. Bye.